Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You know that I am making a quantum computing series. In this series, I started with the quantum computing certification related video. After that, I have made a quantum computing job opportunity series. Then I made one particular video on how to run quantum computing on your laptop. Today, I want to make one particular video on how to interact with international and national community and develop your skills in terms of quantum computing. You know, there are lots of conferences, hackathons going across the globe. Now that after pandemic, everything is online. You need not go to the location and participate. Still, some events are going in full online mode. Some of them are going in hybrid mode. And going to other location is also not problem for some set of students. On a whole, I want to club all the kind of global events with respect to quantum computing. And in this short video, I want to provide you knowledge regarding what kind of events you have to participate to get exposure to the community. Because once we get to community exposure, we will have a broad idea. Till then, we are in a room or in a college or university. So our thought process will be limited to that boundary. But once we expand our level of thinking and see the international community or national community all together, then we will get more and more thoughts. That is what is my noble objective particular to this video. I just inform some of the events because many events are going on. I am quite amazed that so many students doesn't even know where to participate, when to participate. I will provide you relevant links also. You can go through them and do like, share and comment on this particular video. And also, once again, I request you to share these videos because you are listening it, and if you don't share it, that will be with you only. If you share it, it will be a community building. Okay, on that positive note, I want to start this particular episode. When it comes to the major reason for participating in these events, see, the thing is that you have to go to the places where the real action happens, right? Whether you are a student, developer, or a quantum enthusiast, definitely you have to be in live action. You have to participate in top hackathons and events, not only in this year and in the coming years also. I am talking about opportunities. You have to mainly think that you have to learn from best experiment with real quantum computers and even network with industry leaders and investors, all from your home if it is online event or in person if you prefer. If you want, you can travel also. By the end of this video, you will come to know all these kind of events. You can supercharge your skills, expand your network, maybe launch your own quantum career. Let us move in. Now, there are some events which are specific to hackathon. So these are the events where ideas become reality. Why people are participating in 24 hours hackathon, 48 hours hackathon? Because there the idea becomes reality. You will get the biggest breakthrough in your career. There is one event called as IBM Qiskit Hackathon, QISKIT Hackathon. It is global and online friendly hackathon where anyone Beginners can also participate. You can use Qiskit. I already told you yesterday what is Qiskit is. It's an open source software and you have to solve real challenge problems on actual quantum hardware. I will make a video about how to develop real problems. Okay. You have to read so many textbooks. There are some textbooks. I was going through one textbook today. I was amused to see in the textbook they have published all the real world research problems, the solution, the results, everything got published. Okay. You have to expose yourself to that kind of material, right? You will be getting guidance from IBM engineers. In that particular event, IBM engineers will be coming, and it's hands-on event, interactive, and it is very good for building your quantum coding confidence. There is another event called as Q-Hack by Zandu. If I am spelling wrong, that is the reason why I am giving you spelling also. Xanadu. Okay? Which is also online. This is the place, this is the hackathon where A meets quantum. Right? You can tackle the problems related to quantum machine learning and photonic computing. And you will get mentorship from top researchers because this is totally research oriented related hackathon, and you can learn cutting edge skills, right? Even in your BTech stage, you can publish research papers. You all know that if you want to enter into MS, they see how many research papers you have published. Now that the MS scholarships are open across the globe, but for that, you have to get the publications done. And if you do publications in these kind of hackathons, or you want to join research programs, then definitely you have to take up these kind of challenges. And there is another event called as MIT IQU Hack, which is a hybrid event. That means both in person as well as online. And there also you will get real world industrial problems using IBM, not only IBM, you will get AWS as well as Microsoft quantum platforms. And this is the place where you will be noticed by recruiters from major tech companies. I am making videos on major tech companies also. You can just refer them. Right? For those who love structured learning while hacking, the Qiskit camp is the perfect event. They also are held globally, both online and offline, and combine immersive coding workshops with team projects. You have to build teams, you have to make friends. That's the reason I'm telling you, you be in groups, you be in communities, you be in LinkedIn. You will get a lot of practical experience, new friends, mentorship to start your journey. Right? And if you are very much interested regarding the open source projects, there is one particular event called as Quantum Open Source Foundation Hackathon. Quantum Open Source Foundation Hackathon, which is entirely online. I will give the links also. And there you will build collaborative quantum software projects. And you will be contributing to GitHub repositories. You make your own GitHub account. You totally make it online with full of information. Whatever you make, you put it there. In that way, the recruiters will come to know about your developments. And you can become part of global quantum community. Okay. There is another hackathon called as Yale Quantum Hackathon, or Y Quantum. This is also hybrid. There you have to build teams and you have to do quantum simulation and optimization. And you will get mentors from YALE Quantum Institute, search in Google. Now onwards, you make them your, mentors. You just put an email. They will genuinely reply. Okay. You connect with them in LinkedIn. You just message them. Here in this event, you have cash prizes and recognition also. Okay. Mainly if you are a college student or early career professional, this is best event for you. Okay. So there is exclusive event for girl students. That is Quantum Women Hackathon. Mainly to empower women and non-binary participants. It will have mentorship, technical workshops and networking. Especially for girl students, I am repeating, if you want to build skills and confidence, you just enroll here. So there is a lot of scope for one single gender here. Competition is less, right? There is CERN Quantum Hackathon, CERN, CERN, right? It is also a hybrid event, and here you can integrate quantum computing with practical physics research, and you will be given hands-on experience and mentorship from CERN experts. Now my request is, please Google CERN experts. Don't wait for the hackathon notification. You start connecting with them now onwards, right? Or else you connect with the people who already worked on this. In that way also you can be successful. Then I want to shift from hackathons to conferences and IT events. There also you can learn, network and get inspired on a bigger scale. So one of the most famous event is Inside Quantum Technology Conference. IQT, Inside Quantum Technology Conference, which is held in New York, which is also an online event. And one thing I am telling you, my personal knowledge associated with these events is that whatever the new products they launch, whatever the new softwares they launch, whatever the new initiatives they take, in major of the events they declare, and they try to implement it from the next day of the event. So when you attend these kind of events, you will come to know what is the recent one. You need not study the age-old concepts. You have to be very recent. That is the main impact you want to get by attending these events. There only the investors will attend. There only the startups. I have attended one event. Many events I have attended. In my mind, I have one event. I remember in 2017. I'm just sharing my experience. That was blockchain event. With me, I brought 100 visiting cards to house. 100 visiting cards. Believe me, just one small event in my own location only. Of all the people working in this area, they were giving their visiting cards. So we have the data with us. We can inquire them. We can start thinking about their works. So everything comes under one roof, right? So you will learn about quantum cybersecurity, finance and logistic applications. And then you can discover those quantum ideas into real world impact. If you are really interested in engineering and research, there is IEEE Quantum Week, QCE 2025. IEEE is prestigious, you all know, globally. This is also hybrid event, right? And you can connect with engineers, software developers, academicians, because IEEE mainly associates academicians also, professors and all. So there you get to come across tutorials, workshops, student mentorship programs. You can join student mentorship program. You can turn your theoretical knowledge into practical skills, right? If you are very much interested about industry insights and networking, there is Quantum Tech Conference in Rotterdam. Or else you can go with online also, where you get to expose it with researchers, investors, government officials also are coming, right? You will get workshops on quantum cryptography, sensing, industry applications. There is one big event which is nothing but IBM Quantum Summit. That is also online event. And you know what the contribution of IBM is. They are launching certification programs. They are into open source tools. So you will get all those updates, software tutorials, hardware updates. If you are a researcher, if you are a developer, and you are a student, and you want to be updated with the cutting edge technology, you attend that. There is a good meeting held called as APS March meeting, which is very huge, mainly for researchers and academicians. There, the thousands of scientists, they present their findings in quantum information and material research. It is also online. See, online means the timings will change. You have to wake up late in the night. You have to attend them. The time zones are different. You have to plot them. You have to convert them. There may be some confusions in time zone and all. You have to do all those groundwork earlier, and you can meet world top experts from home. There is Europe, Quantum Tech Europe and Quantum Tech Asia, which is bringing together government, startups and investors to discuss the commercial adoption and strategy of this quantum computing. Okay. So there is one startup meeting also, Quantum Startups Pitch Day. Right? It is fully online. So if you have a good quantum idea, you can pitch your idea to investors. Maybe they may pick you, they may fund you. You will get mentorship. You will get funding opportunities, accelerator opportunities. There is another conference called as QU Web conference, which is held in Netherlands. Right? If you are curious about quantum networks and quantum internet technologies, you can attend that particular event, and you will get hands-on session on entanglement distribution, which I have posted in LinkedIn in the easiest manner. You have quantum communication related, protocols related tasks also in that event. So finally, what I want to say is, whatever I have knowledge in terms of 2025 related and previous events, I have provided you. If any new events are coming, definitely I will post regarding them. If you are willing to learn, you are willing to network, and you want to build real projects, definitely you attend these kind of events. Hackathons will give you hands-on experience, mentorship, which is very, very crucial. They will definitely allot mentors for you. And getting mentor in quantum computing as on date is a big challenge, because you know the resources are scarce. There is resource scarcity. One thing you please remember, this is the motivation point. You need not to be an expert. You just pick one event, join online and start participating. Your quantum journey will begin, and definitely it will prosper. So if this video helped you, you like, subscribe and comment below. I want to know which event you want to attend, and if you already attended any event, you please post that experience also. Okay, so that everybody else will come to know what is your learning experience regarding those events. So thank you all. Hopefully this video is useful for you. Wish you all the best. Happy learning. Thank you.